Hello viewers, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to set up two-steps verification on Yahoo Mail. So first of all, open Yahoo Mail. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. Look at the right side, tap onto profile, go to account info. Now shown here to this option, turn on two-step verification. Click on. Here they provide 4 options. I'm selecting the phone number. Click on. Enter your phone number. First select your country. Click on to send code. Just type here to verification code. Click on to continue. Okay, now done. So that's how you can easily set up two-step verification on Yahoo Mail. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial channel for more videos.